Hello student, let us continue exercise 14.3. Now we discuss example 8. Consider the marks out of 100 obtained by 51 students of a class in a test given in the table 14.9. Marks, number of students 0 to 10, that is 5 students. Similarly 9 to 90 to 100, that is 9. Draw a frequency polygon corresponding to this frequency distribution table. Now, first we draw horizontal line and vertical line, x and x dash, y and y dash. Now, scale 1 unit equal to 2 student, number of students shows vertical axis and mark shows x-axis. Now 0 to 10, 0 to 10, number of student 5. So we draw rectangle. This is your 0 to 10, 5. Next interval 10 to 20, 10 to 20 and number of student 10. Rectangle for second class interval 10 to 20 and number of student 10. Next class 20 to 30, that is 4 student. 20 to 30, that is 4 student. Next 30 to 40, 6 student. 30 to 40. 30 to 40, 6 student. This is next 40 to 50, 7 student. 40 to 50, 7 student. Now make a rectangle for class 40 to 50 and number of student is 7. Next 50 to 60, 3 student. 2, 4, 3. Now 50 to 60, only 3 students. Next class interval 60 to 72 and also 70 to 80, number of student 2. And 80 to 90, 3. 80 to 90, 3. And 90 to 100, 9 student. Now last class interval 90 to 100, number of 9 student. But we draw a frequency polygon, so we find the class mark of each class. So we take midpoint of each class. And next minus 5. Take minus 5. Join this midpoint, both midpoints A and B. join FG, GH, HI and IJ and JK and KL, also KL. This is your required polygon. Hence A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L is the required frequency polygon. This polygon draw with the help of histogram. Now next example 9, we draw also polygon with the help of histogram. Now in a study, the weekly observation made in a study on the cost of living index are given below. Cost of living index, number of weeks. Draw a frequency polygon of the data above without constructing a histogram. First we make the table for this given information, classes and frequency same, but we draw also class marks. Formula of class marks is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. 140 plus 150, that is 290. 290 divided by 2, we get 145. Next, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, we get 155. Similarly, we get all class intervals of different, all class marks of different classes. Now we draw frequency polygon. Now draw horizontal axis and vertical axis. Horizontal axis shows cost of living index and vertical axis shows number of weeks. Take scale 1 unit equal to 2 weeks. So we write 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. And we start class marks 135, 145 and preceding we need 135 and last 210. So we also draw 135, 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195, 205. Now first class mark is 145 of first class interval and frequency is 5. 2, 4, 6 and this is your 5. So we represent point B. And next class mark is 155 of second class interval whose frequency 10. So 155 take 10. This is your C point. And next class mark 165 whose class is 160 to 170 and whose frequency 20. 165 and whose frequency 20. This is your 20. And next 175 whose frequency 9. 175, this is your 175 whose frequency 9. 9 lies 8 and 10, so represent by E point. And next 185 6 and 195 2. 185 6, this is your 6. 185 represent and 2 represent 195 and 195 plus 10 205 and 145 minus 10 135. We represent this point by A and this represent by H. Now we draw polygon. Join AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GH. Hence, required polygon is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This is your required frequency polygon. Now try exercise 14.3 and do example 8th and 9 in your fair notebook. Thank you.